Did you know that many business owners never apply for funding because they think they need real estate, expensive equipment, or other assets to qualify? What if I told you there are funding options available that may not require traditional collateral? In today's video, we're talking about how business owners can explore funding opportunities without putting their assets on the line. Let's get started. 1. The myth about funding. One of the biggest myths in business is that you must own property or have significant assets to qualify for funding. The truth is, many lenders now evaluate businesses using factors such as revenue, cash flow, time in business, overall business health, instead of focusing solely on collateral. This has opened the door for many entrepreneurs who may not have substantial assets but have a growing business with strong potential. 2. Types of funding to consider. Let's look at a few options. First, there are unsecured business loans. These loans may not require traditional collateral and are often based on your business profile and ability to repay. Second, business lines of credit. A line of credit gives you access to funds when needed, helping you manage cash flow, payroll, inventory, or unexpected expenses. Third, working capital funding. This type of funding is designed to help businesses cover day-to-day operating expenses and keep operations moving smoothly. And fourth, startup funding options. Even if your business is relatively new, there may be programs available depending on your qualifications and business model. 3. What lenders are looking for. Before applying, ask yourself these questions. How long has my business been operating? What does my revenue look like? Do I have a business bank account? Is my business properly registered? The stronger your business foundation, the more funding opportunities may become available. 4. Funding strategy matters. Here's something many business owners overlook. Not every funding option is right for every business. The goal isn't just getting approved. The goal is finding the funding solution that supports your growth while protecting your cash flow. That's why having a funding strategy is so important. If you're a business owner looking to explore funding options without traditional collateral requirements, there may be more opportunities available than you realize. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with another entrepreneur. And if you'd like to learn what funding options your business may qualify for, check out our website, cubecapitalgroup.com. Explore your funding options. Schedule a consultation, cubecapitalgroup.com. I'll see you in the next video.